Multiple wildfires are raging throughout the state of Oklahoma. Look at this video from Payne County. Dry conditions and strong winds have helped to fuel those flames. The National Weather Service issued a red flag warning for multiple counties in the northeast part of the state. Officials have urged people to evacuate. They also warned of the potential of more fires in the western part of the state today. Severe weather is imminent in the Midwest, and that is where we find CBS News meteorologist Rob Marciano, who is in Bonner Springs, Kansas. That's about 17 miles west of Kansas City, Missouri. So, Rob, what can we expect?
Well, I'll tell you what, you mentioned Oklahoma and those fires that are burning down there. The winds are whipping up here in eastern Kansas as well, and that's part of this system that's coming in that's making for a setup that's a classic severe weather setup for the fall season. We typically get a season in the fall, and this is the first time really since we had Hurricane Milton and the tornadoes in Florida to get a severe threat like this. It's been since June of last year since Kansas City had a threat like this. It's been since May of last year since anywhere around Kansas City has seen a tornado, and conditions are prime. So we're in Bonner Springs, as you mentioned, just west of Kansas. We're getting a little bit closer to the action. We're still in sunshine now. The line has yet to develop or really to enhance itself, and that will happen over the next 3 to 4 hours as this daytime heating begins to progress. So the National Weather Service, the Storms Prediction Center, has put out an enhanced risk for places like Wichita, for places like Kansas City, through the overnight hours tonight, and that's when we expect things to begin to pop. We've seen some action today in Omaha. We've seen some action that's heading towards Des Moines, and obviously that line is going to be heading this way and then expanding towards Wichita, down towards Oklahoma City, and then overnight through Kansas City. By that time, it'll probably develop into more of a line of damaging winds once we get through the overnight hours. The problem, Alana, this time of year is that the sun sets earlier, so the height of these storms will likely come during the dark hours. And then, like I said, it's the first round of severe weather that we expect for this fall season, and we'll probably see more as we go in through next week. Lana?
All right. Thanks for watching it all for us, Rob. Appreciate it.